Which carry-on travel backpack is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, JanSport Laptop Backpack. At about $55, it's a familiar name that caught my attention for its reliability. If you want the trusted option that can handle both school and travel, this is worth a serious look. This backpack features 2 spacious compartments and an ergonomic design that makes it comfy to carry, especially during long trips. The 15-inch laptop sleeve is perfect for keeping your tech safe, while the front utility pocket helps with organization. The fact that JanSport offers a lifetime warranty really adds peace of mind. You know you're investing in something built to last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 4,000 units sold in the past month, people clearly trust this bag. The comfortable S-curve shoulder straps mean less strain on your back, which is essential if you're lugging it around an airport or a campus. Now, some people complained about its basic aesthetic. Here's the thing though, if you are looking for a rugged, no-frills backpack that gets the job done, this isn't a deal breaker. It's functional and gets you through everyday life easily. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable all-rounder for school or casual travel. Skip this one if you're after something more stylish or loaded with high-tech features, but for the price, it's a solid investment.
Product number 2, LoveVook 40L Travel Backpack. The LoveVook 40L Travel Backpack, priced at $35.98. The standout feature here is its airline-approved size, which is a game-changer for budget travelers. If you want hassle-free air travel, this one's definitely worth a look. This backpack offers a whopping 40L capacity, giving you plenty of room for 3 to 7 days of travel essentials. It's got 4 compartments and includes 3 packing cubes, which means you can keep your items organized. The waterproof materials are a big plus too, especially if you're dealing with unexpected weather or spills. Plus, it fits under the seat perfectly, making it ideal for budget airlines. Here's why this matters for you. Its TSA-friendly design makes getting through security a breeze. Instead of fumbling around, you can access everything quickly, which is a huge time saver at the airport. Some users mention that the zippers could feel flimsy. I'll be real with you, while that's a valid concern, most people find that it holds up well under normal travel conditions. Just keep in mind if you're packing it to the brim, gentle handling might be necessary. This backpack is perfect for budget travelers looking for organization and ease. Skip this if you prefer a more high-end material or style, but for the price, it's hard to beat the value.
Product number 3, TomTalk Travel Backpack. The third option is the TomTalk Travel Backpack, priced at $79.99. This design caught my eye because of its sustainability aspect and premium feel. If you want a backpack that's eco-friendly without sacrificing style, this could be the one for you. The TomTalk offers a large main compartment and a dedicated laptop compartment that can fit up to a 17.3-inch laptop. It's TSA-friendly, meaning it opens wide for quick security checks. Plus, with its water-resistant fabric, it protects your belongings from the elements. The recycled materials used in its construction are a big win for eco-conscious travelers. Here's why this matters. With dimensions that fit most airline regulations, this backpack is perfect for carrying on flights. If you're a tech-savvy traveler, the organization and ease of access to your devices is a major benefit. Now, some people found it a bit pricey compared to others. I get it. If you're on a strict budget, this might seem steep. But honestly, for the quality and eco-friendly materials, it's a reasonable investment for someone who travels often. This backpack is great if you prioritize comfort and sustainability. Skip it if you're looking for a budget option, but it's a great pick for frequent flyers.
Product number 4, LoveVook Travel Backpack for Women. Another from LoveVook, the Travel Backpack for Women, priced at $37.98. The stylish design and functionality are what drew me in. If you want something that's both chic and practical, you should definitely consider this one. This 40L bag has 3 large compartments and a whopping 18 pockets, giving you excellent organization for all your travel needs. It fits comfortably in both underseat storage and overhead bins, making it a flexible travel companion. Plus, it has 2 packing cubes to keep your clothes separate and tidy. What's great about this backpack is its water-resistant fabric and reinforced zippers, ensuring durability through all your travels. The padded compartment for your laptop can fit up to 17.3 inches, which keeps your tech secure. Some users mention the weight could be an issue when fully packed. Here's the thing. While it may feel heavier than expected, the comfort of the padded straps balances it out during long trips. If you're a light packer, you'll find it manageable. This bag is perfect for anyone seeking style without compromising on organization. Skip it if you need something extremely lightweight, but it's a great option for those who appreciate a well-designed backpack. Product number 5, Kuaz Travel Backpack. The Kuaz Travel Backpack priced at just $20.87. It's the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're looking for a solid backpack that won't break the bank, you might want to check this out. This backpack features a waterproof design and a unique wet bag to keep your wet items separate. It's spacious enough for a short trip, with a main pocket that can fit a 15.6-inch laptop. The lightweight construction means you won't feel weighed down, which is a huge plus for travel. This is important because its size makes it suitable for quick getaways or as a gym bag. Plus, the 2 padded shoulder straps mean you can carry it comfortably even when it's loaded. Some users reported that the materials feel a bit cheap. Honestly, while it may not have the premium feel of more expensive options, it does the job for basic travel needs without costing too much. This backpack is perfect for casual travelers or students who need an affordable option. Skip it if you're looking for high-end materials or extensive features, but it's a great value for occasional use.
So to wrap it up, we had the reliable JanSport, the budget-friendly Lovefook, the eco-conscious Tomtok, the stylish Lovefook for women, and the economical Kuoz. Each of these backpacks has its strengths, depending on your travel needs and budget. I hope this helps you find the perfect carry-on backpack for your next adventure.